All right. Well, about 2 hours ago, I did my first video update, and it's now 1 o'clock, and I spent a couple hours trying to shovel out cardboard. And it's because in that 2 hours I was shoveling, and the wind is blowing really hard right now. In fact, I don't know if you can see all that white out in the back is the snow blowing off my roof. Well, here's my carport that I shoveled out, and if you can see down this side of the vehicles, I didn't make it to do this side yet, but this is what it took me 2 hours to do, all the way down. I dug up between the cars. Again, it's already about 2 inches deep right through here, and that's what I shoveled out. It's still coming down pretty hard. In fact, it's coming down hard, the hardest right now, as it's been all day. And here's my pride and joy. I actually made it to the road. I'm now standing in the road in front of my house. There's looking back at the house. That's what it took me 2 hours to do. This is something else, and you can see right about in there is the bapometer. Let's go check it out. It's been snowing so hard. If you look, my zipper pulls all have ice on them. All right. Let's see. This little mountain of snow right here is about waist high. I'm gonna go in this way. Oh yeah, up to my waist. Snowdrift right here next to my van. It's not as deep underneath this tree. All right, well, right now at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, we are at the 22-inch mark on the bapometer. Yeah, we're 2 inches away from not seeing my little meter here anymore. So it's coming down pretty good. Here's another view of the house. Follow my Georgia friends and family right there. On the stoop is my little statue of Uga. And he's covered up. He's not really happy right now. In fact, let's go see if we can find Uga. Uga, you in there? There he is. Oh, poor Uga. He is covered in snow, dude. Woo! Alright, it's BP with your latest video update. Signing out. Bye-bye.